Thank you very much. Robert Boland, Johnson & Johnson, pharmaceutical companies, research and development IT. My role within this group is basically to spearhead the U.S. portfolio of projects that we run within the External Innovation Group. The External Innovation Group is a part of the research side, so you look at us as the R side more than the D side. And our group is basically comprised of the Eastern United States, the West United States, Western coast of the United States, and the European countries, basically out of London. So we're a small team, but we're a pretty powerful team.
Now, you were a moderator of a session,
yes.
Moderator, so, and also keynote speaker.
Sure, yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so Planet Connect approached me maybe 6 months back to become a keynote speaker for the conference, and I gladly accepted because I worked with Planet Connect before on conferences, and we had a good time back then. So doing the keynote was a pleasure for me. Basically, the message out of the keynote that I was trying to impart to the audience to take away was the key themes of collaboration, building alliances, forging partnerships to become much more efficient at what we try to do as a company. So we know that when I spoke today, we can't do it alone, and we can't, bear the weight of everything we try to do from a drug development perspective. So we reach out, we branch out to industry and academic partners alike to see if we can forge partnerships and alliances to actually run programs that actually increase the efficiency of what we're trying to do with regard to the drug development process.
Right.
Yeah.
Also, I noticed you were on a panel as well.
Yes,
so
yes, I was on a panel.
That seemed pretty interesting.
Yeah, today's panel was interesting. Thank you for asking. It was around really about personalized medicine and what that means for people. And we had about 4 or 5 different folks together with Dr. Bonnie, 360. And really, my focus there was to be the anchor person at the end of that talk, to really think about things about where that data could go. Personalized medicine and the data that's needed for that is there's a proliferation of this data. We call it big data, and we thought at that point in time that I could sort of talk about at the end of the panel where an opportunity might exist to bring the disparate data, the silo data, into an equation where we will run it on a platform which we call JACE, which is the Janssen Collaborative Environment, and we have current members within the environment that are actually working with us, both out of academic and out of the industry sphere. Yeah.
So, what do you think is the next steps?
For JACE?
Just JACE and also with the whole group as a whole, the life science community.
Well, yeah, we had that question earlier today. So for JACE, my goal as program manager for JACE is to grow JACE, to bring more partners into JACE, expand JACE, mature JACE. And then, the theory of the world is your oyster. If people see the agility and speed of JACE, then they'll want to become partners if they hear about it. So we're trying to create that buzz around JACE right now from an industry perspective. As far as life sciences, for me, I'm focused on technology, I'm focused on innovation, and I see an array of new tools and technology that we're using each and every day to be innovative around what we do. I don't see that stopping anytime soon. And with the surge and the huge wave of data and big data that we're talking about at the conference, my job is to look at ways to use tools and technologies to analyze that data and make sense of it. Yep.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No, just pleasure being part of the conference, and I was actually happy that Planet Connect invited me.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.